Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you what to do if your ChatGPT application is not working. And before changing anything on your device, let's check whether the issue is with OpenAI. So what you want to do is go to your browser and type OpenAI status. And on this website, you should see if it says we're fully operational. If there are no outages with OpenAI, then the problem is with your device. So let's go to ChatGPT, and you want to force close and then reopen the application. So simply swipe up from the bottom side of the screen like this, and let's close ChatGPT and reopen application. After this, let's clear storage in your ChatGPT. In upper left corner, you want to tap this two lines, which is menu, then tap gear icon, which is settings, and let's scroll down until you see section storage. Let's open storage, and here you will see that your storage is divided into documents and also images, so you can review everything. As you can see, I have it empty, unfortunately, so I cannot clear up my storage. After this, let's check for any updates. So what you want to do is go to App Store on your iPhone. Now let's hit searching tab at the bottom side of your screen, and now let's tap searching bar at the top, then type ChatGPT. Let's tap on ChatGPT and check if it says update. If you have update button here, then you have to press it because if you run outdated version of ChatGPT, this actually can cause some bugs and issues. So yeah, you have to keep your ChatGPT up to date. But if none of those fixes helped you, then you have to try reinstalling the application. Let's go to home screen, and now long press ChatGPT application icon, then tap remove application and confirm by pressing delete app. Now after this, after you have deleted ChatGPT, go back to App Store, and then here you will have button to reinstall your ChatGPT application. Then you have to sign back into your ChatGPT account and and see if your ChatGPT is working after all those fixes. So that's basically it. And one more thing, that you can report actually bugs. You can do that inside ChatGPT application. Let's tap gear icon, and if you scroll down to get help section and go to report application issue, here you have a little form that you have to fill out. So here in this field, you have to explain your issue. And additionally, if you have screenshot, you can include that in your report, and then press send button, and your report will be sent to OpenAI team, and they will review your issue. So now finally, that's it. If this video was helpful for you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I see you in the next one.